Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the new feature on CapCut, which is the text to audio. So how you can add voice to your videos using this new feature on CapCut. So first, I'm going to show you where to find the feature. So the feature can be found under the audio or text. So if you click on audio, you'll find the text to audio. And if you click on text, you can also find the text to audio option. So here, to use it, just click on the feature and you can just write the text in here. You can enter the scripts yourself or let the AI writer generate the script for you. Okay, I'm going to write the script first. Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe. For example, subscribe to our channel. Okay, and after that you can just click on done, and in here you can just select the voice that you want. So in here I'm going to go to with more voice, so it depends. You can choose between male, female, or maybe anime or English, or maybe your language, which is Indonesian, on mine. So I'm going to use a male voice. Let's try the good guy voice.
Subscribe to our channel.
Okay, and let's try the British male.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe to our
Cool, so
channel.
you can just choose which voice that you think fits your video the best, or you can also add some voiceover in here. Then just click on next, and here you can choose to split the text into separate captions or not. I'm going to just click on don't split, and now it will generating the caption and also the voice, and here is the
Hi
result.
guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't
Hi
forget to
guys,
like, comment,
don't
and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.